So as you probably know, Klaviyo is an email marketing service that's specially designed for online stores to help them send out targeted emails based on the customer's shopping habits. So you can easily connect Klaviyo with Shopify and you can automate emails and make a lot more money. Now, while Klaviyo is pretty great, it's definitely not perfect and we can't pretend that it doesn't have any flaws. For example, its pricing can be considered pretty expensive for a lot of people. Sometimes it has limited template design options and there are occasional performance issues which can be a turnoff for the more serious digital entrepreneurs. So in this video, I'm going to go over 5 alternative email autoresponders that might be much better for your business needs than Klaviyo. And for your convenience, I've included the links to all of them in the description so you can check them out. So number 5 on the list is Aweber. Aweber's been a staple in the email marketing space since 1998, making it one of the pioneers of email automation tools. So Aweber is an OG. It's been around for like more than 25 years. Pros and cons. Aweber is praised for its ease of use and excellent customer support. So as you can see, they actually allow you to talk to a human 24/7 instead of some like AI bot or something. So no matter what time it is, you can always connect to a real person who can help you out instead of only during business hours. But Aweber is criticized for its basic automation capabilities, at least compared to some of the more advanced platforms that I'm going to talk about in this video. Now, if we take a look at Aweber's reviews on Trustpilot, it's got 103 reviews with an average of 2.6 and it is a verified company. So the reviews aren't looking particularly good. But now let's talk about Aweber's pricing. So Aweber actually offers a completely free plan where you can have up to 500 subscribers on your email list and send them emails. And this is permanent, so it's not like a 1 week trial or something. You can just stay on this plan for as long as you want until you get to 500 subscribers. And there's no credit card required to sign up, so you don't have to worry about like automatically being charged a subscription or anything. With their paid plan, it actually starts from $14.99 per month if you pay monthly, and if you pay annually, it's about $12.50 per month. So this all depends on the number of subscribers you have on your list. So if you have, let's say, like between 500 and 2,500 subscribers, then the price goes up for all of them. And so as your subscriber goes up, your cost also goes up per month, all the way to a limit of almost $1,200 a month. But at that point, if you have like between 100,000 and 150,000 subscribers on your list, you're probably making a lot more than this anyway, so you can afford to pay it. And as usual, the annual and monthly plans, if you pay annually, it is going to be cheaper than paying monthly. Now, a key advantage that Aweber has over Klaviyo is its superior customer support, including phone support. And so this is really valuable for businesses who want to be able to quickly connect with a real person. Like if something breaks in the middle of the night or during an odd hour and you're missing out on a bunch of traffic and a bunch of business, then that would really suck if you can't contact a real person because they're only available Monday to Friday between 9 and 5. So Aweber really shines with its customer support. Now let's talk about number 4 on this list. Number 4, ActiveCampaign. So ActiveCampaign was founded over 20 years ago, back in 2003, and it quickly distinguished itself with its advanced automation capabilities and integration of email marketing with CRM. So ActiveCampaign is really regarded for enabling businesses to create complex behavior-based marketing workflows that improve your engagement and conversion rates. So what are some pros and cons of ActiveCampaign? Well, ActiveCampaign is known for its robust automation and CRM integration, which is great, but it can be complex and overkill for smaller businesses who need simpler platforms. So they offer so many different things that if you're a new business and you easily get overwhelmed, then this could be a really bad option for you. Now let's take a look at ActiveCampaign's Trustpilot. So with 847 reviews, they're getting a average rating of 3.6 and it is a verified company. Let's talk about ActiveCampaign's pricing. Unfortunately, unlike the other platforms that I've mentioned so far, ActiveCampaign doesn't actually have a free plan that you can start with. So the cheapest plan in their market marketing section, for example, starts at $66 a month. And then, with different, depending on what your needs are, if you need CRM, then you can get it for about $26 a month. They've also got some bundles where you're combining CRM with marketing automation. And then they've got transactional emails, so you can just pay for the emails that you send. And then you can pay additional, $1.80 for 1,000 emails. Now, a key advantage that ActiveCampaign has over Klaviyo is the fact that ActiveCampaign's advanced automation and customer journey mapping are far more detailed, and that makes it ideal for targeted marketing strategies. So if you really want like advanced capabilities and you want to target your right audience so you can convert more sales and just make more money, then ActiveCampaign is better than Klaviyo. But what about the next one on this list? Number 3, let's talk about Moosend. So Moosend was established in 2011 and it's gained recognition for its straightforward and affordable email marketing solutions. Moosend has a really intuitive drag and drop email editor and very powerful automation tools that make it sophisticated for marketing that's accessible to businesses of all sizes. So what are some pros and cons of Moosend? Well, the pro obviously is its intuitive platform with lots of automation features and the fact that the pricing is quite affordable. I'm going to talk about pricing in just a minute. But a con is that Moosend may lack some of the deeper integration capabilities of larger platforms such as ActiveCampaign. For example, Moosend does not offer built-in CRM features that allow users to track detailed customer interactions across various touchpoints, or automatically updating sales pipelines based on customers' behavior within the emails. You want a certain sequence of emails to be triggered if a customer clicks a specific link in an email. That kind of functionality you're not going to find in Moosend, but you can find that in more advanced marketing automation platforms such as ActiveCampaign. So this type of integration is crucial for businesses if you want to leverage email engagement data directly for sales follow-ups and more personalized customer relationship management. Now let's look at the Trustpilot score of Moosend. So this is Moosend's Trustpilot, and as you can see, they have 50 reviews with an average of 2.5 rating, and it's a verified company. Now let's talk about Moosend's pricing. So Moosend has a free trial, so they don't unfortunately offer a completely free plan, but they do offer a 30-day free trial, which doesn't have a credit card required, which is great because a lot of companies, they ask you for your credit card information even for a free trial because then they can automatically charge you. Moosend doesn't do that, and with the free trial you can get 1,000 subscribers and send unlimited emails. You can get one automation workflow and a landing page or a landing form. Now if you look at their paid pricing, then they've got monthly and annual pricing. If you pay annually, it's always going to be cheaper, but you can see they've got a pro plan and an enterprise plan. So for the vast majority of people, a pro plan would be more than enough because it has all the features you need. And so the pricing does vary based on the number of subscribers you have. But let's say you have a 10,000 subscriber list, then you're paying $160 a month, which is not too much considering that you can probably make a lot more than 160 if you have this many people as subscribers. And so you get lots of great features here. And if you are like a bigger company and you want to have more access to things, you want more support, then you'll want to get an enterprise plan, and for that you'll want to get a custom quote. So what are some of the key advantages of Moosend over Klaviyo? Now Moosend, I think overall is more cost effective, especially for startups and small businesses, because they have a great free trial and even their paid plan, the cheapest one, starts from only $9 a month. Now let's talk about number 2 on this list, which is SendPulse. So SendPulse started in 2015 and it's noted for its multi-channel marketing approach, which includes email, SMS, web push notifications, and chatbots. SendPulse stands out for its use of AI to optimize message delivery, which enhances the open rates and engagement. Now, what are some pros and cons of SendPulse? Well, SendPulse provides a really versatile multi-channel marketing tools, which has email, SMS, and chatbots, but on the downside, its design and editing tools are sometimes not considered very user-friendly. We can take a look at SendPulse review on Trustpilot, and you can see that with over 2,000 reviews, they have an average of 3.7, and it is a verified company, so it seems like a pretty decent company, but the reviews aren't anything amazing. But let's talk about the pricing now. So SendPulse actually offers a free plan plan, which is great. You can have up to 500 subscribers and send up to 15,000 emails, which is kind of insane. And this is all for free, so this is really good. You get 100 MB of image storage. You can get 3 email addresses, 1 domain, a website, 100 verifications with the email verifier, so you can make sure that when people sign up to your email list, they're giving actual legitimate email addresses and not like fake ones. And then for their paid plans, you can actually get billed in 3 different ways. So a lot of these platforms offer either monthly or yearly, but SendPulse actually has something smack in the middle at 6 months. So the cheapest would be if you bill yearly, at which point the standard is $6.40 per month with a size email list of 100 to 500. But as your email size grows, the price also grows all the way up to almost 10,000 a month with the enterprise if you have like 4 to 5 million people on your list. But of course, if you have that many people on your list, you're going to be making a ton of money. So even 6,000 a month would be nothing. So a key advantage that SendPulse has over Klaviyo is that even though they also have email automation and SMS like Klaviyo, they include chatbots for all these different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, and others. So you can reach your customers on way more platforms, and so overall, you can actually grow your list faster than with Klaviyo. Now let's talk about number 1 on this list. Number 1, GetResponse. Now GetResponse has been in operation since 1998 and has evolved into a comprehensive online marketing platform that goes well beyond email marketing, and it includes things like webinar hosting, landing pages, automated conversion funnels, and much more. So it's really known for being an all-in-one solution that helps users enhance their online marketing efforts significantly. So what are some pros and cons of GetResponse? Well, the pro is that GetResponse is very mature and it's an all-in-one platform. So it has lots of advanced features and you can pretty much do anything with just GetResponse. Although some users do find the interface a little bit cluttered. So that's a con. Let's look at GetResponse reviews on Trustpilot. With 561 reviews, GetResponse has an average rating of 2.9 and it is a verified company. Now let's talk about the pricing. So unfortunately, GetResponse doesn't have a free plan, but they do have a 30-day free trial with no credit card required, so you can test out everything in the standard plan. So you can test out either of these 3 plans and see which one is best for you for 30 days. And so the pricing is relatively affordable. So if you can pay every 2 years, you actually save 30%, whereas if you pay annually, then you save 18%. And then monthly is going to be the most expensive, obviously. And so the price actually depends on the size of your list, with the cheapest plan being $19 a month with up to 8,000 people on your list if you're paying monthly. So you get lots of stuff included here. You get lots of AI help, you get newsletters and marketing automation. If you decide to go all out, you have a huge business and you want to scale to the moon, then the GetResponse Max, the enterprise plan, would be best for you. And that essentially maxes out at a price of about $1,100. So if you're scaling and you have a lot of people on your email list, this would be the plan for you. So the advantage of GetResponse over Klaviyo is that it has unique features like webinar hosting and comprehensive conversion funnels that go way beyond just standard email marketing. So all of these platforms I've mentioned in this video offer either a free plan, a free trial, or very cheap entry-level subscriptions. So you can decide which one is best for your specific needs after trying them out yourself. I've included the links to sign up to each of these platforms in the description box below. So let me know if you have any questions and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching.